Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a clickable website link in your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook first page. Make sure you are on your Facebook page, not your Facebook regular account. Okay, you have to switch to your Facebook page account. Then you have to click on this option of your profile Facebook page name. Then you have to click on about. Then scroll down and you'll find here websites and social links. You have to click on this pencil icon and then you can add your clickable website link here like this. Put here your full username, or put here a full link, I mean not username, sorry. Now click on save. Now you can see that it is a clickable website link. Okay, now the second option is, if you want to use the clickable with a website link, you have to click on this again and then you'll find here three dot. Click on three dot and you'll find here edit action button. Click on this and click on change button. Then you can choose any one from this, like this learn more button. Then you'll find here a next option here, but it cannot finding my next option for a bug. Okay, but if you find that next option here, you have to click on that blue button next option. Then you'll find a fill up bar where you can fill your uh, website link. Okay, then you have to click on OK or done. Then you'll be able to create a website link, clickable website link. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.